Well, good morning. It's May the 1st, a Wednesday. A few things are going on today. We do have cotton under some pressure. We're down there. Grains are mostly up. Looking around the board, we've got the energy markets are down, dollar down. Precious metals are also down. As far as the stock markets go, we would just say globally they're mixed. Asia closed mostly lower. Europe is currently trading mostly higher, and the U.S. is up right now. As far as news goes, the FOMC will complete its two-day meeting today at 1 o'clock Central Time. They'll come out with an announcement of any policy changes. We do not expect any policy changes there, so should not have any news coming from that. We will look at what's going on with China in trade. The U.S. delegation wrapped up overnight there, and they are scheduling another meeting with Vice Premier Hay. He'll be in Washington next week. And so the U.S. Mnuchin's Treasury Secretary described the meeting that just took place as productive, and they're looking forward to the meeting next week in the U.S., although they finish anything they say right now with the statement, but we're willing to get up and walk away. So that's something that's just part of the official statements that are coming out. It looks like we are seeing rains that have come across Texas through Arkansas, so there are some areas in Texas that needed rain, and that's been probably part of the reason we've got the cotton market down, or that's the perception of these markets right now. Looking at July cotton, down 50 at 76.28 with a low of 76.17, a high of 76.87. December cotton down 46 at 75.23. The low is 75.19, and the high is 75.74. July soybeans are unchanged right now, but they were down a small amount just a few minutes ago, at unchanged at 8.54. The low is 8.53. The high is 8.57. A tight range, especially considering we're extremely oversold in soybeans right now. The stochastic is under 4. It's at 3.5. That's very rare through the history of watching these markets, for a market to be so oversold right now. What does that mean? Well, it means typically when you get oversold, or you could say overbought, the market's getting close to a place where it's going to need to correct to let off some steam. It's just getting too much, leaning to the downside. I think a lot of that is fueled by speculators coming into the market, continuing to pour on short positions, not so much caring about fundamentals, but just knowing the market's going down, let's sell some more. All right. July corn up 3 at 365.5. The high is 365.75. The low is 362.5. July wheat up 5 at 433.75. A high of 434.5. A low of 427.75. Crude oil is down 36 cents a barrel at 63.55 in June crude. The dollar is down 9. Gold is down $2 an ounce, with silver down 8 cents an ounce. And the last thing on the Dow Jones Futures Index is up 80. I mentioned the FOMC meeting today. Looking for anything else, construction spending and manufacturing index at 9 o'clock. 9:30 we have EIA energy stocks. And that's it with the FOMC meeting. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.